Hi, we're here at Regen America Center in Philadelphia, and we have one of our patients here. What's your name, sir?
Lukester.
Okay, and so he's going to give a brief testimony of how he's had success here at our practice.
Okay, we're going to be talking about Dr. Paul. I think Dr. Paul is one of the greatest physical therapists that I have seen in 10 years. He has made me feel better, much better than I have in 10 years. I think his experience and his care of his patients, along with his knowledge and talent, has almost completely healed me, but definitely making me feel better than I have in an extremely long time.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Continue to have a pain-free day.